Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Kia Rio S Hatch, stock reference number 5765. This shape runs from the 8th month 2011 through to the 11th month 2016. It has a G4 FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 FA 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left guard has no damage. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear door has two small dents. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror has some clear peeling and a scratch on the outside cover. Right guard has no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.